Hi there. Thanks for joining in and welcome to BOXX. In this quick tutorial, we will walk through 2 ways to add HTML code in JavaScript. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the BOXX website. Link in the description box below. Method 1. Inner HTML. First, let us create a dummy element and give it an ID. Then in the JavaScript, we use getElementById to fetch the element. The current content of the element can be retrieved with the inner HTML property. We can also assign and replace the content using inner HTML. To append, we simply concatenate to the content. Method 2. Create HTML element. As usual, we create a dummy element and assign an ID first. Get the element in JavaScript. But instead of directly changing the inner HTML, we create a new element first. Set the inner HTML of the new element. Then append it to the parent element. While this method may seem roundabout, it is cleaner when it comes to lists and tables. For example, we have an array of data to put into an HTML list. We can simply loop through the array items. Create and append the list items. Lastly, this is a common beginner mistake to take extra note of. HTML pages are loaded from top to bottom, left to right. For example, we will move the dummy element below the JavaScript. As the JavaScript is loaded before the element, this will now throw an error because the element cannot be found. To ensure that the loading order is correct, it is recommended to wait for the page to load before running the scripts. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.